Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. I have missed making YouTube videos. I really miss it. Life has just been like so busy, but I've always kind of found my way back to creating content, to creating videos, and I am just so excited for today's video. Today's video is going to be this full makeup look, and I used all products that are $10 and under. So I did this full face of Glam, and all of these products are $10 and under. I love drugstore makeup. I just love affordable makeup. I love like the fact that you can get this full glam look without having to break the bank. So if you want to see this full face of makeup using all products $10 and under, then just continue watching. To prime my skin, I am going to take the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And to prime my eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to use these e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadows. These are really great quality eyeshadows, and they are so affordable. Each of these run for $3, so that is easily under $10, and you can get a full makeup look with just one of them. But for today I'm going to do two because I have this green I just want to pop in my eye. Me applying eyeshadow, I'm just going to speed through this part really quick and just show you guys how I get this look. So with this eyeshadow palette, it is a lot more difficult a little bit to work with as opposed to the other ones because it is a more darker color, and the darker complexion is the more it takes to blend. But I really love this green, this lime green color. Like, it is so pretty, but the look is gonna come all together once I put my foundation and everything. Speaking of foundation, I am absolutely in love with this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is a staple in my collection. This is one of my top foundations, high-end drugstore. I just really love this foundation so much, and it is under $10. So I wear the shade 356 Warm Coconut. I'm gonna use this for my foundation today. Here I'm going to take two concealers. I'm going to use the Instant H3 Concealer, which has been my favorite concealer for a long time. I'm going to use that underneath my eyes, just more as brightener. But I'm also going to mix my Fit Me concealer in as well for more added brightness. I always love mixing these two concealers together. Now to set that concealer, I'm actually going to use a powder that is not the Essence under eye powder. This is actually from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Banana Powder. Really love this powder, and it is so affordable. Wet n Wild, we know, is one of those brands that are so affordable and very high quality. This powder does not leave flashback. It's not cakey. It's really smooth and it's very fine, and you get a pretty big amount for this powder. I will put the price of it down below because I don't know the top of my head the price, but it's really great powder. It really just blends in so effortlessly, and it's great for baking because I feel like it's not like too, like, it doesn't give like a white cast like some of my other powders do, but this one is really nice. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Putty bronzer, add some warmth to my skin. I'm going to take Sunkissed. I didn't want to go too deep, that's why I'm not using my liquid ones, but these are really great and they are really affordable. Let me just look up the price for it. Oh, I just looked up the price. These run for $7, which is really, really great because under $10. I want to make sure I stick to that price point. So I'm gonna apply some of this bronzer just to add a little warmth to my skin. I just recently learned this from Jaclyn Hill, so I've been applying bronzer all wrong. I would apply it here, which is not, you know, correct. So now she's saying to apply above your ear. So I'm going to just bronze above my ear, so that way it doesn't look like it's like apply my bronzer a little higher up. Bronzer is a little bit more natural. It's not gonna be so defined, and I didn't want anything too dramatic because I feel like my eyes are so dramatic today that I didn't want my face makeup to be dramatic as well. What I've been doing recently is nose contouring, which I never used to do before, but I don't know, I really kind of like bronzing my nose. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this liquid or putty bronzer and just kind of bronze or contour my nose. Almost done with the look, but I really just like how it just gave me like a natural bronzy look. It's not too dramatic, and naturally my cheeks have hollows in them for whatever reason, so my cheeks are always going to look more like, because they're just naturally like that. And then for blush, I'm just gonna go in with this Milani cream blush in the shade Cheek Kiss. This is actually $10.99, so it's not $10 or less, but it's still, it's $11, but it's pretty good. It's really good. I know it's not less than $10, but I just really love this blush. And I like to apply this with my finger because I feel like it gets the best look, and you can always build it up to your liking, but I'm not gonna go too heavy because my eyes are very dramatic today. Just have a flush of color. I don't want too much color on. I'm just gonna sweep away that powder that I had placed earlier under my under eye for highlight. You can always feel free to go in with a powdered blush if you would like, but I'm just going to keep it very simple today. And to set my whole face now, I'm going to take this Fit Me pressed powder. Maybelline has some of the best complexion products that I've used. I think that they're really good at it. It's high-end or not high-end, I love Maybelline products. Like, I think that they make really great complexion items. So now I'm just powdering everything to control the oiliness on my skin. Milani Make It Last. If you guys have any setting sprays that are less than $10, I don't even think this is less than $10. It used to be. But if you guys have any setting sprays that are less than $10 that you really like, please let me know. Go back to my eyes. I'm just gonna add some eyeliner, some mascara, and all that. I'm just gonna speed through this part. Give a quick shout out to these Ardell natural eyelashes. I really love them. They are $110, and Ardell lashes are really affordable eyelashes from the drugstore. Sometimes you can even get them at TJ Maxx. Like, I've bought them from TJ Maxx before, like discounted, but they are really amazing, affordable, and very high quality eyelashes. I love them. So I am gonna apply these lashes today since my eye look is so dramatic. Actually, go in with the eyelashes, I'm going to go with my favorite drugstore mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This used to be $5. I'm not sure the updated price, but I think it's still around that price. But this is like an amazing mascara that gives you like a false lash effect. But since my eye look is already so dramatic, I'm gonna still put on lashes. Today I'm gonna highlight. I haven't highlighted. I don't really usually highlight my face every day, but I really just feel like this look is so dramatic, so I deserve highlighting. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand highlighter and just apply a little highlight on the face. Very subtle. Like, I don't want a dramatic highlight. Shade Rose Quartz. See that glow? We're gonna do our lip combo. I absolutely love these lip liners from NYX. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. Like, you need a brown lip liner from the drugstore that's less than $10, you need this. And for my lip, I love the NARS Dance Fever matte lip pencil, but they got rid of it, it's discontinued. So I've been on the hunt for it, and I think I found a pretty good dupe. I think this is the Maybelline Ultimate Lipstick in More Mocha, and this is like just a lipstick to a matte lipstick pencil. This is the closest that I've been able to find to Dance Fever from NARS, and it's from the drugstore and affordable. So I really love this color. It's really pretty. My favorite types of colors to wear on my lips, these like pinky brown lipsticks. I feel like they look really good on my skin tone. I'm gonna leave it matte today because I don't want to put a gloss on, but a bit of this silvery shade and just pop that on my inner corners really quick. And that is the final look. You can get this full glam makeup look with using products all under $10 or under. This look was so much fun to film, and it was so much fun to just get back in the groove of filming YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and it's like it reminds me that I don't need to spend a bunch of money at Sephora. Yes, I love some products at Sephora, but you can also get a full glam look using products that are less than $10 and under. So I love making this video. I love affordable makeup, and if you guys have any product recommendations, any makeup recommendations that you want to share with me and everybody on here, please let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video because I'm back on YouTube and I want to keep making these videos because they're so fun. Like, I really like this look. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.